Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI. Mabuhay teammates, ito ang Basketball Universe at ako si Bill Velasco.
Hello, Basketball Universe. I'm Brian Mendoza from True Story 8. Please support us and thank you for coming here and enjoying the game.
Hi, Basketball Universe Philippines. This is Trina Gartigo from Pilipinas Águilas.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Smart Sports. Mas madaling makapasok sa Olympics sa 3x3 kaysa sa 5v5. Yan ang isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit si Coach Eric Altamirano at si Andrew Combate ay nagsama upang buuin ng Pilipinas United 3x3. Ang isang paraan para mahanap ang mga kinabukasan ng Gilas Pilipinas 3x3 men's and women's. Coach E, paano nagsimula itong proposal ninyo ng magkaroon ng isang Pilipinas United 3x3?
Actually, brainchild talaga to ni Mr. Andrew Combate, no? Si Andrew kasi has been very active and very passionate sa basketball, and lately naging very passionate siya about 3x3, no? I've seen him compete not only here locally pero internationally. He's been very active. So sabi niya, bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng sarili nating liga? Mabibigyan natin ng opportunity ang mga Filipinos, no, to excel. Lalo na ngayon na ang 3x3 is already an Olympic sport.
Yes.
Bigyan natin ng another platform, di lang 5-on-5, sa 3x3 rin. At nakikita niya yung potential ng mga Pilipino sa galing sa larangan ng 3x3.
Okay, Andrew, saan ka nagsimula na mahilig sa basketball?
Yes, actually, Sir Bill, bata pa lang ako. Actually, nilalaro na naman namin talaga yun, no? Basketball. So, dun din ako nagsimula. Nagsimula ako as varsity. So, naglalaro ako sa mga barangay. So, yun. Doon nagsimula yung hilig ko sa basketball.
Why 3x3?
Actually, naglalaro talaga ako ng 5-on-5. No? Tapos yung mga players ko, majority doon sa mga players ko, is naglalaro ng 3x3. So, sinabi nila sa akin, boss, bakit hindi natin try ito yung 3x3? So, yun. Doon nagsimula, no, na nahilig kami doon sa 3x3. And gaya na nga sinabi ni Coach Eric kanina, no, our goal talaga is to compete internationally.
Okay.
So, tingin ko kaya talaga ng Pinoy yan. No? May pag-asa talaga tayo pagdating doon sa 3x3. Okay. At iba yung laro ng 3x3 sa 5-on-5, sa 3x3. Talagang galaw ka ng galaw dyan. So,
yeah, I organized the first Adidas Streetball Challenge in 1996 and then the first NBA 3x3 in 2010 dito sa Pilipinas. So I understand what you're talking about and how the rules have changed. But how hard is it for you to maintain a team? Kasi yung team mo hindi lang dito naglalaro rin sa ibang bansa. Gaano kahirap yun?
Of course, sir, napakahirap din. No? Kasi first, yung preparation, no? Yung availability din ng mga players, actually, ng main reasons, no? Yung iba, hindi sila nakakapag kasi may commitment sila sa other league din. So, mahirap, no, in terms of preparation. Pero yun nga, dahil nga dito sa programa namin, no, dito sa liga namin. So, yung goal talaga natin is so compete international and sumali din tayo sa Olympics.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Nickel Asia Corporation. Tinanong ko rin si Coach E at si Uncle Drew kung gaano kalalim na ba ang nararating ng 3x3 sa ating bansa. Dahil alam naman natin itong dating larong kalye ay ilang dekada pa lang na nilalaro sa ibang bansa. Coach, yung infrastructure natin sa 3x3, no, how far down does the pipeline go? Meron na bang mga nag-aaral ng 3x3 na mga grade school students? I mean, having been with the NBTC and having the Coach E camps, how far down does it go, yung readiness natin sa 3x3?
Well, Bill, when we started 2019, I don't know if you remember that yung Chooks to Go 3x3 when we launched that 2019. Nakakatawa kasi nag-assemble kami, nag-invite kami ng mga teams. We had 12 teams talaga na regular member ng liga. Meaning we run 3 conferences tournaments every year, and then 1 conference nun merong 6 legs, no, meaning 6 tournaments. So yung mga early part of the year, yung mga players hindi pa nila alam paano laruin yung 3x3. Talagang makikita mo talaga na compared sa other countries, medyo behind tayo, no, when it comes to 3x3. Pero when we started it in 2019, for less than a year, we were able to qualify sa Olympic, sa OQT.
Yes.
For Tokyo. And doon talaga nagkaroon ng awareness, no. That started it all, and ever since then naging na-include na yung 3x3 sa sports. Hindi lang sa high school, college, even sa semi-pro level. If you notice ngayon, UAAP, NCAA, that's already included in their sports.
Oh, hey coach, ano magiging format nyo? What's the template para dito sa Pilipinas United?
Initially, we're launching this event. We've invited international teams. Maganda ang turnout. Marami sumaling mga international teams. Japan, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore. Dapat nga, meron din tayong Canada team, no? Canada national team. Unfortunately, nagkaroon ng strike, Air Canada strike sa Canada. So, they were not able to come now, but they've already sent their interest to join the next tournament of Pilipinas United. I'm very excited. We will have a lot of exciting events coming this weekend. No? Meron tayong celebrity game. I'm sure ngayon pa lang pinag-uusapan na yan dahil ang maglalaro dyan talagang mga big influencers. No? Talagang abangan yan, and we expect the event na mapuno yan sa Ayala Manila Bay Mall this coming weekend. Of course, siyempre, nandyan yung Gilas under 23 natin na already qualified sa World Cup. So this will be a parang preparation for them in their September competition.
I see.
And then so many teams na very well known sa 3x3 will be playing. We intend to start it as a launching pad, but eventually ang plano talaga is to have a season, no, 1 full season next year. Okay. And lahat ito ginagawa through the help of Andrew Combate, ang co-founder of this league. Na naniniwala siya na makakatulong tayo para maidala natin ang ating bansa sa coming Olympics.
Okay. Drew, matanong kita, no? Since basketball is an open sport, ibig sabihin pwedeng pro, pwedeng amateur, ano ang target ninyo na in terms of participants? No? Are you looking for new people? Are you looking for existing amateurs, or are you allowing pros also to participate?
Actually, dun sa event namin, no, that's an amateur game. No?
Okay.
Kasi we're also discovering the other na players, no, na pwedeng makalaro sa international and also for the Olympics.
Okay, so basically you're looking for a future national team.
Correct.
Okay.
Young one.
What's the enjoyment that you get out of this? Anong kinatutuwa mo dito sa 3x3?
Actually, pangarap ko actually ito makalaro international, no. Ito yung pinapangarap ko nung bata ko, no, makalaro international. Ngayon, mas feel ko na tumupad ng pangarap ng mga mas younger age sa akin. So that's our goal ni Coach Eric.
Coach E, given the format in the Olympics, will it be easier for the Philippines to qualify in 3x3 or 5-on-5?
To be honest, we have a good chance to qualify sa 3x3. I'm sure you would agree with me, mahirap mag-qualify sa 5-on-5.
Oh.
No? Obviously, talagang we've tried that so many times. Nakita naman ng federation natin na noong 2019, it took us only less than a year.
Yes.
From number 64 tayo na, we were ranked 64. In less than a year, we were able to get into the top 24. Yun lang kasi, 24 teams lang will get to the OQT. So nagawa natin yun in less than a year. And nakita ngayon nila na, wow, pwede pala to. There's an opportunity. There's another pathway to get to the Olympics. And naniniwala naman ako, ang ating leader sa federation, si AD Erica, maganda ang kanyang plano, and makikita mo na slowly but surely we're getting there. Ang ating women's 3x3 national team ay nasa top 18 ngayon.
Yes.
Number 18 sila. So ang laki ng chance, magtuloy-tuloy lang sila. We will be able to get in at least for the OQT.
Drew, ikaw naman, what will the inevitable formation of the national team be? Kukuha ka ba ng buo na champion team halimbawa o paghahaluin mo yung mga magagaling na player ng iba-ibang team?
Actually, nasa yung proseso na kami ngayon. No? We're thinking na pagsama-samahin or iba kasi din yung meron ng structure na team, yung system. So, doon namin tinitignan actually yun. So, yung kumbaga, yung alam nila yung laro ng bawat isa. So, doon kami nakatingin sa system na yan.
Okay, Drew, bilang pangwakas natin, please tell everybody the details of the event and imbitahin natin na pumunta sila sa Pilipinas United 3x3.
So yun, we are inviting everyone na suportahan at manood ng Pilipinas United 3x3. No, is a big league for the international and also to our locals with Coach Eric na kilalang-kilala sa industry pagdating sa basketball.
Alright, maraming salamat. Thank you Coach E, Drew and Tutoy. Basta may ginagawa kayo para sa Philippine basketball, andito lang kami.
Bill, maraming salamat Bill, and I wish you all the best. I'm really happy to see you again. And you're very healthy and balik na naman ang pagkapogi.
Naks naman. Salamat, Coach. Kaya mahal na mahal kita
Hope to see you soon. Hope to see you soon.
Ikaw pa, Coach. Thank you, gentlemen. Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI. Yan ang Basketball Universe. Para sa araw na ito, abangan kami Lunes, Miyerkules at Biyernes sa YouTube at Facebook. Kaya like, share, subscribe at follow na rin. Nais naming pasalamatan ang aming mga sponsors, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Nickel Asia Corporation at Smart Sports. Laging tandaan, saan man kayo at anuman ang gawin ninyo, magkakampi tayo. Ako si Bill Velasco at ito ang Basketball Universe.